natin, Ateneo came in with an unblemished record. So that might, of course, in one way or the other, affected, syempre, yung mental state ng kanilang kalaban. But for the Lady Eagles, what do they need and when they face UST in this match?
Here, Valdez and Maraguinot should continue to score for Ateneo. Ito nga, nadagdagan. Hindi nila problema si Valdez. Pero in this tournament, pati si Maraguinot, naging headache na ng mga kalaban. At the strong service of Ateneo earns them points. At matagal na natin nakita. In fact, in the last UAAB, nakita natin ng Ateneo. Yung mga serves nila talagang naging opensa kagad. Well-distributed attacks. Well, in the absence nga of Gia Morado in this tournament, I think si Giselle Tan has been doing a great job. In fact, #1 siya pagdating sa setting dito sa tournament natin.
And I guess yun yung importante, sinasabi natin, is always keep your opponents guessing. Yes. So ngayong hapon na ito, malalaman natin kung patuloy pa rin bang maghuhula itong UST sa laro ng Ateneo, or UST will be able to get their win and push for another match against Ateneo. Malalaman natin yan sa ating pagbabalik. Of course, this is your their B-League Season 12 Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's B-League, where it all started.
And now for the starting lineup of the Lady Eagles. Number 15, Johanna Maraguinot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. Number 7, Giselle Tan. Number 14, Bea De Leon. Number 18, Kim Hekeliana. And their team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez. And their libero, number 8, Ella De Jesus. Their head coach, Anusorn Coach Ty Bundit. To all the Kapuso volleyball fans here in the arena, let's get it on!
Yan, so let's get it on. This is the semifinals. Yan, talagang naging part na niya yun. Yes. But syempre naman, this is going to be game number 2 against UST and Ateneo. We all know that nakuha ng Ateneo ang game number 1. And alam din natin na papawi ang UST.
Yun ang gusto talaga nilang gawin today. And remember, so much is at stake. Why? Slot to the finals. Totoo naman. Narito na eh. Ang lapit na
lapit na. And Ateneo, of course, we know din na they have a very good record coming into the semis, and UST medyo talagang dumaan din sa butas ng marayom.
Mas struggle for UST to come to this point, pero yun na nga, nakarating sila. So, you have a shot, take it, at yung laban lang, di ba? Yung first game nga nila kahapon, yung first encounter nila, okay na sana yung first set ng UST pero siguro nawalan ng loob, tumuloy-tuloy. That's why it was a 3-setter.
But it was a very tight first set, 27-25, Eliza Valdez scoring the first point para sa Lady Eagles. And Alex, good to see Alex Cabanos already starting up for the Lady Tigers.
Actually, to si Alex kasi, I think nag-OJ diba doon na sa Laguna. Kasi medyo malayo eh. That's why hindi siya nakaka-practice continuously. Pero I'm pretty sure kung tuloy-tuloy naman ang practice at makita ni Coach Kung na gano'n pa rin, she will blend in with the team. Talaga naman si Alex ang ilalaro niya.
And Ateneo still scoring here at the start of the first set. Johanna Maraguinot for the serve. Good strong serve.
That's right. And Maraguinot, ito yung naging 1-2 punch ngayon dito sa tournament na to for Ateneo. You have Eliza Valdez and you have Maraguinot.
Yes, and we also mentioned earlier na talaga ang Ateneo ginagawa na rin nilang isang scoring machines yung kanilang service. Talagang todo kargang service.
Napansin natin yan in the last UAAB that they really put an emphasis and their serves. Which is rightfully na yun na ngayon yung labanan ngayon because with parang easy serve lang, it's like giving a free ball.
Exactly. And yun yung mga kukuha ka ng puntos na hindi kayo masyadong nahirapan. And Jessie De Leon with the serve. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. That doesn't go outside, so the point goes to Ateneo. Eliza Valdez
with a cross-court hit.
It's 4 serving 1, Amy Ahumiro.
Makikita mo kagad when Eliza flies and goes for her attacks. Iwas na iwas sa blockers,
Oo.
partner eh.
And I think yung isang advantage ng may hang time cake.
Oo.
Nakikita mo rin. And that's going off the block. Carmela Tunay.
Ito, yan ang isa pang key for UST. Kailangan nila ang puntos ni Mela Tunay.
Yes.
Because in their previous game, hindi nga masyadong nakakontribute si Mela. And we know for a fact na itong si Mela is one of their biggest contributors already in this year, di ba? For the team.
Laure goes for the hit and it's outside, but there is a net violation error called up against Bea De Leon. At di naman niya dininay.
Oo. Bata pa kasi
Oo.
siya.
Kung tayo yan, no?
Bata pa
Beth,
kasi
are you
siya.
sure ako?
Kahit kinitara mo na ang net, walang aminan.
Inararo mo ng net at lahat, eh, no?
Oh, and there she goes, De Leon. Pero that was picked up by UST.
Tan goes to Valdez who drops it. Laure manages to keep it alive. Free ball ang ibibigay ng UST. De Leon for the quick. Good defense from Pam Lastimosa. Valdez.
Oh! But Valdez getting that to go with a short stab.
Very fast attack from Eliza Valdez, and this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Talagang pinagdaan mo sa gilid in between the hands of Tunay and the antenna.
Ibang klase.
Oo.
And si Eliza parang pagaling lang na pagaling eh.
Laure.
Pagaling lang siya na pagaling. Akala mo yun na yung laro niya. Like last
Nasa
year.
peak na siya,
Oo,
yeah. But
pero
she has more. Meron pa ipipeak doon sa peak.
ba't hindi tayo nag-peakest?
Peakest. Hanggang
Hindi
peak
nga ako
lang.
nag-peak eh.
Oh, hindi daw. National team, hindi daw, ha? Oh, Riri Meneses. Yeah, scores a point para dito sa UST.
Ito pa, isa pang nakikita kong key factor for USC. Itong si Ria Meneses.
Yeah.
Why? Dahil kaya niyang kailangan yung sarili niya gawin niyang advantage both sa offense and defense,
Yeah.
especially when she's at the net.
It's just very tall,
Diba?
eh. Yeah. At kasi tingnan mo naman, ang haba ng kalamay.
Ang haba.
Konting talon lang, sigurado
Tsaka maganda
makaka-block
timing
na
sa
eh.
block.
Yeah, that's right. Just like that
There you
one
go.
that she got the
Right.
block for UST. So UST just down by 1. It's 5, serving 6. Carmela Tunay serving for the Lady Tigers. Combination play.
Oh,
and net violation.
si Coach Tay eh. Okay, relax. Natawa. Pipita si Red.
So no need for further introductions kahit hindi pa nakafocus. Alam na natin kung sino ang magsaserve.
Alam na. Oh, nice serve.
Good serve from Valdez. Good pa. That's actually a good one-hand set also from Cabanos. Gatiliana. And with that attack, Ateneo leads 8-5 as we go into our first technical timeout. Full force ang ating crowd dito. Here you can see the airing schedules for GMA News TV for Saturdays and Sunday and Monday to Thursday. And full force din, syempre, kami dito sa panel, ang Girl Power. We bring you to the third member of the panel, Miyaka Lim.
Maraming salamat, Ivy. Alam mo, I think wala naman naka-expect talaga yesterday na magsisweep itong UST. At natanong ko nga itong si EJ Laura at saka si Melay Tunay kanina. Sabi ko, ano bang nangyari? And none of them can actually put it into words. Pero sabi sa akin ni Coach Villet na for sure, walang kakulangan sa preparation. It is more on mental and emotional. At sinabi nga ni Coach Kung Fu, masyado daw nag-hesitate yung kanyang mga girls at nagda-doubt sa sarili. Sabi nila, alam naman daw nila na sakit daw nila daw all conference long. Pero ang challenge ni Coach Kung Fu today is hanggang kailan na lang natin i-baby yung sarili natin. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miyaka. Pero, boss, yun yung pinakamahirap i-develop sa lahat.
Yes.
Yung mental and emotional.
Correct. Yung mental toughness.
Yeah.
Kasi tinatawag natin. You know you're up against a stronger team.
Yeah.
Yes. Diba? Given.
But they're
Pero-
also human.
Correct. And you have to find ways, diba? And you have to find a way to stop this girl because like yesterday, she scored 8 points and 8 blocks. Ang ganda ng naman, ang ganda ng stat na yun,
Yeah.
no? Na
Lalo na
8
yung blocking,
blocks,
ha? 8
diba?
blocks.
Kasi, syempre, hindi naman siya inaasahan talaga na pumutos ng sobra-sobra.
That's
Pero
right.
yung contribution niya, di ba? Lalo na yung tama ka sa blocking.
Laure is blocked but good coverage dito para sa UST.
Oh, there you go. Better on the second try. Yan yung mental toughness.
Yeah.
Hindi ka bibigay. Didn't make the first one. Bumawi na sa pangalawa.
Right. Yung tipong na-block ka, so what?
Yeah.
O, diba?
Part of the game.
UST just down by 2-7 serving 9. EJ Laure at the service line. Oh, that goes outside.
Yeah, that's what UST, they don't need that. That's what they have to be careful of, yung mga unforced errors nila. Alam mo, ang kwento nga after that loss yesterday, ang haba daw ng pag-uusap sa dugout. Ang tagal bago lumabas itong UST.
Masinsinang usapan ang
That's
ginawa ni
right.
Coach Kung Fu. But you know, sometimes I guess it's really what the team needs, you know. Something na outside of the setting ng training and while everything is still fresh para sa team.
Oh, and yung focus nga nun is what Miyaka said. It's yung wala daw sisihan. It's just yung mental, yun na nga, mental toughness yung naging problema dun sa game nila yesterday.
And now UST gets to serve. Alex Cabanos bringing out a good service. From the back row is Eliza Valdez, picked up by EJ Laure. Pam Lastimosa. Oh, that was outside. No touch from the blockers. So another point goes to Ateneo. So ito siguro yung sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu na kailangan talagang iwasan lang yung error. Kung
Oo.
ma-block ka, sige, okay lang.
Laking bagay kasi nun let's say yung mga 3-4 points.
That's right. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League.
And mortal sin siguro yun, you give a freebie when Eliza's in front.
And Coach Kung Fu Reyes now calls for timeout.
Kailangan natin gawin, Dex. Kanina pa nire-review sa'yo ng time to time. Ando ka na sa kabila. Sige ako, sumunod na rin sa kabila. Bibigyan mo pa rin dito open. Ngayon, nagsisingle back tayo dito sa dulo. Eh, andito naman ang bola. Ipipilit mo naman dito sa kabila. Binabaliktad mo lahat eh. Lahat ng blocker na andito. Lahat ng blocker na andito, nagbibigay. Sumunod ka. Upo ka na upo, pero wala naman nangyayari sa atin. Napakadali lang naman eh. Ano ba yung namin?
Hindi yung ginagawa mo lang dati. Ako sa setting ng further position.
Lahat na nakatulang pero sige nyo, hindi nakaputi. Hindi tayo mananalo, score tayo, tatapos tayo sa salbo. Hindi na tayo mananalo.
Girls, congrats for sure.
Sundan ng all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Volley Friends sa Viber public chat. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong Viber app, search, and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra-fun kulitan. But obviously, wala si Eliza dyan ngayon muna.
Pag naman may sumasagot,
Oo nga.
matakot tayong lahat.
Bakit ganon?
May naipag-chat na Eliza.
That's,
Si Coach
okay.
Kung Fu, yun ang, again, yung reminder niya, parte po kasi ng trabaho ng pagiging setter, yung tinitignan mo ang depensa ng kabila.
Oo.
More or less, nasa ng blockers ng kabilang team. So, ni-remind niya lang si Alex because nagiging baliktad daw. She keeps on giving it doon sa places na maraming na nandun yung blockers ng Ateneo.
But at that time, Mela Tunay scores a point for UST. Pero alam mo yan, Mozi, no, iniisip at minsan pag tinitignan natin, akala natin mas madali ang trabaho ng setter
Ay,
kaysa sa attacker.
Nako!
Baliktad.
Napakahirap.
Oo. Ang
Very.
setter, napakahirap ng trabaho niyan.
That is right. And Vanessa is celebrating that block against Eliza.
And that trims down the lead to 2 points. It's 10 serving 12. Kaya sinasabi natin minsan ng setter, pagod ka na physically pero mentally pagod ka pa rin. Kasi isip ka ng isip eh,
Tama.
di ba? During the game.
Ikaw yung kasing didiskarte dyan sa loob eh. In fact, sabi nila, you're the coach inside.
Yes.
Diba? You're the playing coach, kumbaga.
Dati natawag natin the brains inside the court. And ito naman, UST, sa lalangan-lamang ng Ateneo, they're slowly catching up. And I guess it's really a credit to the good defense at the front line. Lalong-lalo na now that Menes is at the front. Valdez. Blocked again by UST. Free ball ang ibibigay Cabanos
Oh,
will
nice.
set up Tunay.
Oo.
Valdez once again, drop shot. Oh, UST too late to get to that.
Poor coverage on the side of USD.
Let's take a look at that attack. Eliza Valdez and decides to drop it just at the back
Yan yung,
of those blockers.
Partner, no? Yan yung risk if you give a triple block.
Yeah,
Ah, yung,
nababawasan kasi yung coverage mo eh. Pam Lastimosa, he gave it out and Carmela Tunay gives a free ball. Combination, Valdez is blocked.
Panay triple block ang binibigay ng USD, ha?
Oo. Off speed. Combination kay Valdez once again.
Saan ba pupunta doon si Eliza?
Sumusulpot na pabigla-bigla eh.
Parang sa lahat ng posisyon, pinapaluan.
And dalawa lang ang attacker niya pero yung
Yes,
variation at
correct.
dami ng options parang tatlo.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yun talaga ang gustong gawin nitong si Coach Tai. Na parang hindi tuloy nagiging liability yung position,
Right.
yung rotation na to, na dalawa lang ang spikers mo.
Kasi in most cases yun yung nagiging rotation
correct. Tapos ang medyo dehado pa because you have a small setter.
Right, right. And that attack from Eliza Valdez goes straight into the net. So ang point papupunta dito sa UST. 12 serving 14, Captain Pam Lastimosa at the service line. And XL is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Valdez, Cabanos picks it up. A free ball ang bibigay ni Carmela Tunay. Good defense mula
That's
kay
right.
Pam Lastimosa.
Oh, but Mel Hatunay, not enough juice or mishitting that ball.
Mela Tunay apologizing to Coach Kung Fu.
Oh, actually mababa naman yung set, sinalubong niya.
Medyo mahirap din yung angulo niya.
Yun,
Kasi
explain
lumagpas
natin
sa kanya
yun
eh.
Oo. Talaga, actually, gusto lang niya i-save yung bola,
Oo.
pero nag-risk siya eh. Papaluin niya eh.
Off the block. Bea De Leon. Oy, that makes to the line. And Ateneo de Manila University is up by 4 in the second technical timeout, 16-12. And for Jimmy Public Affairs social media sites, just visit these sites sa ating Facebook at Instagram. And we're back here in the action. It's UST against Ateneo. At in the lead here is Ateneo de Manila University with 16-12. At with that attack from Eliza Valdez, nadagdagan na naman ang kalamangan nitong Lady Eagles.
Akala ko si Mark Espeo yung si Eliza
Ano, si
pala
Eliza.
yun. Akala ko, bakit
Grabe
may
naman,
naligaw
no?
dito, ha?
Good reception from Lastimosa. Combination from Mela Tunay. Good pick up from De Jesus, pero hindi na na-sustain yun ni Bea De Leon. So the usual two-man substitution na nakikita natin dito para sa UST. Siyempre, we all know para ma-maximize pa rin yung front line.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And mukhang today, si Coach Kung Fu, yung mga veteranong centers niya ang ginagamit niya no, at the start of this game.
Yeah, because we've been used to seeing also that they start off with Chope, diba?
yeah.
Combination na naman para dito sa Ateneo.
Trust in the coverage, yun na naging problema doon.
And once again, no need for further introduction. Sino kaya yung nagsiserve?
Si Ella.
Oo, si Ella. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yung libero talaga yung nabili.
Kaya sila sumisigaw.
Uy, pero sa States may mga na pwedeng, may mga tournaments na pwedeng
They allow. Okay. And
Parang hindi ko kay
Joanna,
NCAA nila doon eh. Pwede.
meron din.
Ang libero mag-serve.
Which is good, no? Kasi at
May
least,
ibang rules kasi,
yeah.
lalo na sa States per area, di ba? May per state.
Oo.
Or league. Per league.
So at least as a libero, hindi ka nalilimit dun sa ano mo. Kahit pa paano nagagamit mo pa rin spiking
Ako basta
arm.
ako lang yung may ganun uniform, masaya na ako.
Oo.
Basta nariray lang.
Ikaw laging nag-iba, you're always the
Okay na
standout.
ako. Hindi ako mag-serve.
And Ateneo continues to lead here in set number 1. So 7 points ang lamang nitong Lady Eagles. Eliza Valdez pa rin ang nasa service line.
And it's a full front line for both squads.
Cortez is blocked. Again, poor coverage para dito sa UST. At napatawag ng timeout si Coach Cuco Reyes.
Taas naman ay magagalan. Ay, nakabulit. Parang niya nag-training tayo, ah. Uy, tara. Pero nagawa natin kahapon mag-5 go straight, ah. Lahat natin. Naiingat naman eh. Naangat naman nila. Positive tayo, ah. Pag nalalaman ay, isang galaw ko na.
I think the timeout was meant to break the momentum of Ateneo.
But also, siguro yung regrouping kailangan ng USC. Tama si Coach Pupo kanina rin sinabi nga niya, hindi pa pwede ka lang na but you have to do something about it because useless yung mga timeouts, di ba? If you salita lang ang nangyayari.
Good pick up there. Olares scores a point for UST. So good timeout din ang pagkakatawag doon ni Coach Pupo.
Well, I guess ito USD, they also have to look at their combination plays kasi nga nababasa sila kung yung mga usual plays.
And we have a substitution here. Francisco coming in for Meneses. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Violation called up again.
Double. Tama naman yun.
Yeah.
It's a double violation.
So puntos na naman para dito sa UST. So they're just down by 6-15, serving 21.
Christine Francisco serving.
Good serve.
Oh, nice. There you go.
Oh, magandang pasa, magandang play.
Maganda rin mag-isip eh, no? Since
Yeah,
yung
that's right.
diskarte niya. Oh, and now, another, former Tomasian inside. Of course, that's Gaston.
So I wonder how it feels, no, na parang she's playing against...
Pauline Gaston.
Well, although she did, kumbaga, yun nga, she said, nanggaling siyang UST, and now she's playing against her former alma mater.
Parang si Eliza din lang, di ba?
Yeah. Yun yung mga unang tanong din sa kanya nung bago siya eh.
Ngayon si Bongkay naman. Galing din injury to si Bongkay, di ba? I think sprain.
Oh, good pick up there. Homiro's blocked by Lastimosa.
That is right. Perfect timing on the side of UST. Lastimosa blocking Homiro.
Take a look at that block from Pam Lastimosa. Perfect timing.
Kailangan talaga if you're up against Ateneo, yung basa mo.
Yeah.
Kailangan talagang very keen, yung pagbasa sa depensa ng kalaban.
Kasi ang bilis din ng mga play nila
Tsaka
eh.
ang dami.
Oo.
Ang daming pinagagalingan. EJ Lauren, nice serve.
Maragino is blocked. Good save from Tan. Free ball given by Ateneo. Combination play. Oh, good save again from Tan. So free ball ulit ang ibibigay ng Ateneo. Out to set up Cortez.
And Cortez a bit late. She was really far for that combination play. Yung combination kasi, di ba, dapat may lugar talaga yun to run it perfectly.
Yeah.
Ang layo ni Cortez for that differential. Alam mo naman ang differential, mga lang yan 3 feet.
Oo, kaya mabilis pa rin ang pasok mo dun
Oo, hindi katulad ng open. bali-baluan.
Brought to you by Tita Mozi.
Talagang may 3 feet pa ako 3 feet above the net.
Hindi kasi pero sometimes, these are some of the things that even minsan nga kahit player ka, you don't, you take for granted yung mga ganyan eh. Basta alam mo lang, iaangat, alam mo lang, di ba? There's a science behind it, sabi
Although,
nga nila.
syempre, like, if you have players like Jaja Santiago, hindi mo pwedeng 3 feet
Oo,
yan.
iba na yun din applicable yun.
Oo.
Pamlast mo sa picked up by Eliza Valdez. Maraginot.
It's just too much to handle for Bereshao.
And set number 1 is won by the Lady Eagles 25-18. But a good start na rin naman dito para sa UST. Just a little few things lang na kailangan nilang i-organize their shake and play. Joanna Maraginot scoring for the Lady Eagles. 25-18, we'll be back with set number 2.